welcome to the Peeves Tips and Tricks Holistic Lifestyle YouTube channel, part of the Holistic Collaboration series, and I am Sherry Bainbridge. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about how fascinating it is that we truly are 90% energy. Every cell, 90% energy. Energy is thought. If thought has an influence, then it stands to reason that we should use our thoughts to influence our life in a positive way. And one way to do that is to allow ourselves to stop resisting and step up to the plates to do the hard stuff. And the reason we do the hard stuff is because this experience is what rewires our brain. It just is what it is. That's what makes us grow. That's what rewires our brain. Now, if this is the type of content you're interested in, please let YouTube know I'm here. Give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you so much. Now, if our thoughts influence our energy, which can influence our physical body, and studies in Russia and other countries have proven and concluded that when we combine the proper thought, which is vibration, with the proper word, which is the attachment of the definition of the thought that we are involved with, if we understand that our physical body steps up to the emotional and physical plate that we feed it every single time. Every time. So if we know we can influence our lives and our body this way, then let's start choosing to do that. Now, the tips and tricks coming up is about a Weber Q grill that I purchased. I love to grill, and I had purchased a Weber Q, and this is a personal experience. I order an additional accessory, the shelves for the Weber Q, and they don't work. And I call the company, and as you'll see, doesn't work. So I put my engineering hat, and it stretches the brain as I'm trying to figure out how to deal with this and how to do it in such a way that it doesn't damage it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you happen to have a Weber Q, I hope this solves your problem of this specific one not having shells. Biggest tragedies of our world is the lack of connection. The number one reason for suicide, for addictions, for collapses of life is the lack of connection, and it starts with yourself. So I would like to challenge you this week to help you in further thinking positively about yourself and becoming incompatible to what doesn't fit to the person you are truly trying to become and be. This is one of the tricks I use. I absolutely love it. I take and use my imagination. It's one of the most amazing gifts that we have. And I take a silver blue ribbon and I bring it down from Mother and Father God's healing energy. And you can picture or agree however you want as to whom, what, Father God, Mother God is, it doesn't matter. The idea is, for me, it's loving and healing, and I bring it down through my crown chakra, all the way through my body, down to the center of earth. And then I bring it back up, and I bring Mother Earth's healing energy up through, because it gets cleansed that way. This is a very loving thing to do. And I finish off my little meditation, quick meditation, with a beautiful fuzzy heart in front of me. And I do this when I'm around people that are difficult, when I'm around an annoying situation. The world's out here. This is where you're at. Thank you so much for joining me this week. Namaste, and health, love, kindness, gentleness for yourself and others always.